Simplify in the next step. The solution of 2 by 2 order determinant and 1 by 2 order determinant and the cofactor C11, C13. The value of the C11, the determinant of 2 by 2 order, is obtained by the difference of the cross multiplication. The first diagonal element is 1 and 4, then the multiplication is 4. The second diagonal element is 1 and minus 2, the multiplication is minus 2, then minus plus 2. Now becomes cofactor C12. The value of determinant 2 by 2 order determinant is the difference of the cross multiplication of its element. The first diagonal element is 4 and 1, the multiplication is 4, note down 4. The next diagonal element is 1 and 1, the multiplication is 1, note down minus 1. And the last, we come in the last cofactor C13. The value of the determinant of 2 by 2 order by obtain the difference of the cross multiplication of its element. The first diagonal element is 1 and minus 2, the multiplication is minus 2. The second diagonal element is 1 and 1, the multiplication is 1, note down minus 1. Now simplify in the next step. Four plus 2, the result is become to 6, note down 6. 4 minus 1, the result is 3, note down 3. And minus 2 and minus 1, result is minus 3, note down minus 3. Now simplify, dz is equal to minus 12, 2 plus 6, 12, minus 3, 6 is a 9, minus 9. The value minus 12 plus 12 is 0, dz is equal to 0. The value of dz is equal to 0. The value of dz is equal to 0. Now the value of dx, dy and dz is find out. Now find the value of x. X is equal to dx. The value of dx is, what is the value of dx? 10. Note down 10 in the next step. The value of d is equal to 5. Note down 5. The value of x is equal to is equal to 2. Now we find the value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Put the value dy and y. Dy is equal to minus 5. Put minus 5. And d is equal to 5. Then the y is equal to minus 1. minus 1. Now we take the next value z. Z is equal to dz upon d. Note down the value of the z. Now put the value of dz is equal to 0 and d is equal to 5. The value of z is equal to value of z is equal to 0. This is the final answer of the given equation. If you check your answer is right or wrong, then put the value x, y, z in the given equation. If the value of x and y and z is satisfied the given equation, then your answer is right, otherwise your answer is wrong. It is clear? Suppose your x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0. X is equal to 2, put in the first equation, 2 2 is 4, y is equal to, the value of y is equal to, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 0. In the equation, given equation, x is equal to 2, 2 is 4, minus 1, 4 minus 1 and z is equal to 0, 4 minus 1, 3. The result is 3. Satisfy the equation. If you take any equation and put the value of x, y, z, if the LHS equal to RHS, then the answer is, your question is right, otherwise is your not match LHS equal to RHS, your answer is not right. It is clear everyone? This is the solution of the linear equation with the help of the Cramer rule. Now we come in the next question. Now simplify of this equation by the Cramer rule. First we note down the equation. This one take the first equation. And this one take the second equation. And this one take the third equation. Now simplify the equation. X is equal to, by the Cramer rule, equation 1, 2 and 3 with the help of Cramer rule. Now solve the equation 1, 2 with the help of the Cramer rule. In the Cramer rule, x is equal to the value of x x equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d, and z is equal to dz upon d. This is the Cramer rule, where d is equal to where dx where dx is equal to where dx equal to coefficient matrix of the given equation. Coefficient matrix of equation one, two, three. Now dx equal to first we find the d. Coefficient matrix of the equation 1, 2, 3. Now value of d the coefficient matrix the first cofactor is the first coefficient of equation first is x. The coefficient of x is 1. Now the coefficient of y is also 1. The coefficient of z is also 1. The first row coefficient is complete. Now we come in the second row. Second row, the coefficient of x is 1, note down 1. The coefficient of y is -2, note down -2. The coefficient of z is 3, note down 3. Now we come in the third row. First coefficient of x is 5. The coefficient of y is -3. Then the coefficient of z is 1, note down 1. This is the value of d. Now simplify. The value of d by according to the first rule. This is the 3 by 3 of the determinant, and the value of determinant by expand the determinant according to any row or column. Now we expand the determinant according to the first row, then we find the value of determinant. Then d is equal to the first element of first row is 1, and its corresponding cofactor is C11. Now we take the minus sign, and the next value element is 1, and the corresponding cofactor is C12. Now we take in the plus 1, and the corresponding cofactor is C13. Now simplify. In next step, C11 means first row first column element cancel out. First row first column element cancel, then the remaining element -2, 3, -3, 1. Now see 1 2. C12 means first row second column element cancel out, and 1 3, 1 3, 5 1. Now C13. C13 means first row third column element cancel out, and the remaining element 1 -2, 1 -2, 5 -3. Now simplify in the next step. Determinant is simplify of 2 by 2 order. The first determinant of C11 cofactor simplify by the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. The first diagonal element is -1 and 2, the multiplication is -2. The second diagonal element is -9, then -1 is +9. Now simplify, first diagonal element is 1, 1 into 1, 1, then 5 3 is 15, -15. Now the first diagonal element is -3, and 5 to the 10, minus +10. Simplify in the next step. -2 plus 9 into 7. 1 and -15 -14, -3 plus 10 is 7, here is 7. Now simplify. One into 7, one into 7, 7 into 7, the value is 7. Minus minus plus 14. Plus 14. 7 into 7 plus 7. Then the value is d is equal to 28. Now simplify. D equal to 28. Now find the value of D1.